Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and gear. Today, we're diving into one of the best smart motorcycle helmets on the market, the Sena Impulse. Flip-up modular Bluetooth helmet with sound by Harman Kardon. If you're a rider who values both safety and high-tech features, this might just be the perfect helmet for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes this helmet stand out. The Sena Impulse helmet is equipped with cutting-edge Bluetooth technology, powered by Harman Kardon sound, ensuring premium audio quality for your ride. Whether you're making calls, listening to music, or engaging in rider-to-rider communication, the sound clarity and depth make it an experience like no other. This helmet doesn't just meet the basic needs of communication, it enhances it with robust sound that lets you enjoy your ride to the fullest. But that's not all. This helmet is built to keep you connected. With integrated mesh intercom and Bluetooth intercom systems, you can seamlessly connect with other riders over long distances. This makes it a perfect companion for group rides where communication is key. The helmet supports voice-activated digital assistants, meaning you can access Google or Siri just by saying, "Hey Google," or "Hey Siri." Whether you're navigating, answering a call, or adjusting your music, you won't have to take your hands off the handlebars. The Sena Impulse helmet also features a modular design, allowing you to flip up the front for easy on and off without having to take the entire helmet off. This is a great feature for riders who want a bit of flexibility when taking a break or chatting with someone without fully removing their helmet. Additionally, the helmet comes with a retractable sun visor, offering protection from the sun's glare without compromising visibility. No need to carry extra sunglasses on those bright days. When it comes to safety, this helmet doesn't disappoint. The Sena Impulse is .rated, meaning it meets the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 218 for motorcycle helmets. This ensures a high level of protection in the event of an accident, making it both a smart and secure choice for riders. One of the standout features of this helmet is its intermediate oval fit, designed to comfortably fit a wide range of head shapes. The fiberglass shell adds to the helmet's durability, providing you with long-lasting protection. At just over 2.5 kilograms, it's a solid, sturdy helmet that feels secure on your head while still being comfortable for long rides. On top of all this, the helmet is designed for convenience. It comes with a magnetic pogo charging port, so you don't have to worry about fumbling with cables, just magnetically connect and charge. And for those who appreciate a sleek look, the matte black finish ensures the helmet not only performs well but also looks great. In summary, the Sena Impulse. Flip-up modular Bluetooth helmet is a perfect blend of safety, comfort, and smart technology. With Harman Kardon sound, mesh intercom communication, and a modular design, it offers everything a rider could want in a helmet. If you're looking for a helmet that goes beyond just protection, this might be the one for you. Thanks for watching today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gear reviews from Product Critique. Ride safe out there.